Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the array data structure in C# and explore different ways to define and initialize an array. Let's begin with the first method. In this approach, we declare the array and assign values to it at the same time. For example, we can create an integer array called numbers and store the values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 in it. The second method involves creating an array with a fixed size first. For example, we can create an array that can hold 5 integer values. After creating the array, we assign values to each position one by one. We can store 10 in the first position, 20 in the second position, 30 in the third position, 40 in the fourth position, and 50 in the fifth position. Now let's talk about indexing. Arrays use zero-based indexing. This means the first element is stored at index 0, the second element is stored at index 1, the third element is stored at index 2, and so on. In our example, the value 10 is stored at index 0, 20 is stored at index 1, 30 is stored at index 2, 40 is stored at index 3, and 50 is stored at index 4. Let's move on to the third method. In this approach, we explicitly create the array and provide the values at the same time. The result is exactly the same as the first method. The only difference is that the array creation is written more explicitly. Now you may be wondering, what happens if we create an array but do not assign any values to it? When we create an integer array without assigning values, C# automatically fills every position with the default value for integers, which is 0. For example, if we create an array that can hold 10 integers, all 10 positions will initially contain 0. This happens because C# automatically initializes array elements with their default values. To summarize, there are 3 common ways to define and initialize arrays in C#. We can declare and initialize the array at the same time, create the array first and assign values later, or explicitly create the array while providing the values. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.